Hello, everybody. We're going to practice determining what the parts of speeches are in these sentences. The first thing you want to do is read the sentence silently to yourself. Then determine what the star attraction is. The star attraction is the subject or noun, or it could be a pronoun which replaces the subject or noun, which is a person, place, or thing. In this sentence, he is a pronoun, and it is the subject or noun. What did he do? He apologized. Action verb. How did he apologize? He apologized immediately. To us is the prepositional phrase. It is color-coded purple for depth. And to is the preposition. Little puppies prefer short walks. Puppies is the subject or noun. What kind of puppies? Little. What kind of walks? Short. What did these puppies do? Prefer is the predicate or the verb. Little and short are color-coded blue, and they are adjectives. Walks is the direct object, and it follows an active verb. Yes, you can go with us tomorrow. Yes is the interjection. It is accentuated with a comma or an exclamation point, usually a feeling. The pronoun you is the subject or noun. What did you do? Can go are the verbs. With us, the prepositional phrases, with being the preposition. When can you go? Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb, and it's color-coded orange. The young moms held a birthday party in the park. Moms is the subject or noun. What did the moms do? Held. What did they hold? Birthday party. Party is the direct object receiving the action from held. What kind of moms are these? The young. And what kind of party? Birthday. Articles the and a are also adjectives. Young and birthday are adjectives. In the park is a prepositional phrase. In is the preposition. Usually, the preposition starts the prepositional phrase. The basketball enthusiasts cheered their favorite teammates during the game. Enthusiasts is the subject or noun. What did the enthusiasts do? They cheered. What kind of enthusiasts? Basketball enthusiasts. Basketball is the adjective. What kind of teammates? Favorite. Favorite teammates. Articles are adjectives. Their, which is a possessive pronoun, is also an adjective. The basketball enthusiasts cheered their favorite to what? Cheered, following an active verb. Teammates is the direct object. During is a preposition. During the game is the prepositional phrase.